I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace the tailgate latch actuator motor here on a 2010 Honda CRV. It's really simple to do. First, what you want to do is just pull these little brackets down right here. And then what you want to do is get you a 10mm socket. It's 2 screws that's holding this up right here. So you take this 10mm socket and you screw these out. And once you remove these 2 screws, you will need to get you plastic trim removal tool. And you can get these in the description below. And I'm also put in the description below this actuator motor in case you need to get this off Amazon to replace the one that you have on your vehicle. But like I said, once you get these 2 screws out, you get your trim removal tool. Make sure it's plastic because you don't want to be using metal and scratching everything up. But once you pull this off, and all of these are held in with little plastic tabs, and they just pop right out. And when you're done, you push them right back into the slots that they came out of. But once you remove this cover and get it out your way, then you want to disconnect your actuator motor. And it's easier if you had another person helping you out, but my niece is doing the filming for me, so we're trying to knock this out as fast as we can. So now what we want to do is go on the back side and disconnect the motor. And this one right there at the top, the white one, it was really simple to pull out. But then this black one down here at the bottom, I had to shake it a little bit, but it will come out. You may have to shake it a little bit and pull on it. It'll come out. Once you get that, you want to take your 6mm hex Allen key and remove these 2 screws. So once you get those 2 screws out, that's the only thing that's really holding this actuator motor in place. These 2 6mm hex Allen keys. And if you don't have any of these tools, just look in the description below and go straight to the link. You can purchase these and probably have them the next day. But once I remove this actuator motor, I'm going to put the new one in. And this thing fit perfect. You know, it's an aftermarket brand. I think it costs under like $30 as of today while I'm making this video. It may increase over time. But then you put the new actuator motor in. And you put your 2 6mm hex Allen keys in, screws in. And I'm doing this in real time. So this video right here is probably under 5 minutes. So it probably took me about 10 minutes to change this. But if you get somebody to help you, you probably could do it even faster. So make sure you tighten these screws up and don't over tighten them and strip anything out. Just get it snug. And once you get this in place, you want to test the door and make sure everything working. And then you just put the cover back on. I won't film putting the cover back on because I had to get my niece to help me line everything up. But once we got this tight, we want to plug everything back in. We got that black one. Like I said, that little black one, that was kind of tough to take out right there. Then you put the little white one in there at the top. We're going to close it, make sure it works. Everything works fine. That's it. All right. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.